Digital citizenship for kids. Ready to become awesome digital citizens? Let's explore how to be responsible and safe online. It's like being a superhero in the digital world. What is digital citizenship? Well, first, be kind, spread happiness online, and treat others with respect, just like you would in real life. Next, be responsible. Follow the rules and take good care of your devices. It's your digital superpower. And last, be safe. Protect yourself and your friends online. It's like having a digital shield. Rule number one is respect. Use kind words. Imagine your words are magic spells. Use them to make others feel happy. Next, no mean comments. If you can't say something nice, don't say it at all. Be a digital friend. And last, celebrate differences. Everyone is unique. Appreciate and learn from others' ideas and experiences online. Rule number two is responsibility. Age appropriate games. Stick to games meant for your age, they're the most fun and appropriate. Next, device care. Treat your devices like precious treasures, keep them clean and protected. Next is time management. Balance screen time with your activities. Your brain needs variety to grow. Rule number three is safety. Keep your password secret. Your password is like a special key. Don't share it, even with friends. Number two is ask for help. If something feels weird online, tell a trusted adult right away. They're your digital guardians. And three, stranger danger. Be careful who you talk to online because not everyone is who they say they are. Here are some quick tips for digital citizens. Be a kindness warrior. Spread positivity online. Your words can brighten someone's day. Next, follow the digital rules. Be a good example by following online rules. It makes the internet fun for everyone. Next, guard your personal info. Keep your personal details secret. It's like having an invisible shield. And last, think before you click. Take a moment to consider before sharing or clicking. It's your digital superpower. Here are some questions. Number one, what should you do if someone is mean online? Tell a trusted adult. Next, is it okay to share your password with your best friend? No, never share your password. And last, how can you spread kindness online? Leave positive comments. So here's your digital citizenship journey. Number one is we learn. Understand the rules of being a good digital citizen because knowledge is power. Two, practice. Use your digital citizenship skills every day. It gets easier with practice. Number three, share. Teach others about digital citizenship. Be a leader in the digital world. And four, grow. Keep learning and improving your digital skills because you are becoming a digital superhero. Remember, being a good digital citizen means making smart choices and treating others with kindness, just like in real life. Stay safe, be respectful, and always think before you click. You have the power to make the internet a better place for everyone.